What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another wig review. Yes, honey. So right here we got another more charming. Company name seems to be XINRAN, so hopefully I'm saying that right. And right here I just wanted to show you the little love note they sent me. I thought that was super cute. And here is the unit, guys. It says it's a best quality, tangle free, and you already know you don't need that stuffing. So there's the tabs. They're gonna go on the front of your head. They actually went on the front top of your head. They didn't go on the sides like I thought. So right here, guys, you already know that you got to get it in with this big head, small head friendly. And let's go ahead and get this wig on. Y'all, when I pulled this wig out, I was like, oh my gosh, look at the colors. So I absolutely love the colors. It's super bouncy. Now this wig is synthetic, but it is nice, honey. And it's super long. Like you're gonna see later on, I'm gonna show you actually like the length, because I actually go ahead and cut them bangs. But look at the bounce on this wig, y'all. Like I'm shook. This is like amazing. I absolutely love this wig, and the color is phenomenal, girl. Yes. So right here, I'm just showing you that you always want to do your sideburns, just in case you want to do that whole tuck behind the ear thing. You know, the wind blows, at least you can see your sideburns are done, and it kind of looks nice with the wig. You ain't got little kinkies hanging out. But yeah, I absolutely love this wig. There's a couple of things you can do with it. You can pick it half up, half down, but be mindful of the front. You always want to leave a little bit of hair to cover the front so that, you know, it's not peeking through and showing tracks, okay? But yes, this wig is fire, sis. Like, look at it. So here it is right here. I'm just going to show you what I do to get rid of the hair, but look how long it actually goes to the bottom of my chin, guys. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and whack that off, sister. Yay! I want to say this wig is at least 12 inches, at least. But the curl pattern, everything is super cute. And I chose not to pull the curls out because I actually want to keep it nice and spirally. I like it like that. And then as it gets older, of course, you can always pluck it out. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next Amazon review. Bye for now.